What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Crypto Stars, and today is day 9 of our turn $300 into $400,000 challenge in 1 year. And I'm about to give you an update, and man, we've been doing really well. We've been rolling right along and getting those profits. So today I've got a few tweaks that I have to the strategy here, so that people can maximize their earnings. I found that out throughout the week, and I'll share that with you today. So let's see where we are. All right. So as of today of day 9, all right. So today is day 9, and we're at $455.49. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Check out the benchmarks. Okay. So today we're at 44.55.49. Total profit of $45.49. And we did 10% today, almost 10% today, 9.99%, so that's good. And we're supposed to be sitting at $351.50, so we're well above that benchmark. So if you guys are new to the channel, what I have here is this is a benchmark, okay, and we wanna stay at minimum here. So today's day 9. We need to be here at 351, right? That's minimum where you want to be. So just in case you have some off days, or you know, you tried something new and you made some bad choices, you know, you're allowed to, because remember, you're only supposed to make 2% per day. Anything over that's your buffer zone. So as long as you stay above 2% per day, you're gonna hit that 400K, right? So just to show you, like I said, if people are new to the channel, you scroll down here, and remember, this is 2% compounding, so this gives you the power of compounding interest. So as long as you make 2% every single day off your investment, this is where you're going to be at. So at the end of the year, in 365 days, we're going to be sitting right here at $400,000 on 2/28/2023. Or if you really want to get technical, 1 year 3/1, you'd be at 413. Okay, so that's my benchmark. We got a long way to go. Still the beginning of the journey, but we're doing really good right now, and we're holding on that benchmark, right? So we're 22% above bench, and my average right now is 4.37%. Remember, we want to be at 2%. We're at 4.37 on the average, so we're doing real good. So let's show you some tweaks, right? So we're all here to make money, and this is a new thing that I figured out. So let's just sit here, and we'll use the Phantom. Okay, we'll use the Phantom token, and this is how we do it. So a lot of people are like, well, how do you set this up, right? How do you set it up? Not a lot of people know, or they didn't watch the first day video. So let me show you how I set up, right? So if I start out my day, nothing's going on, I didn't mark anything down. What we want to do first is we want to measure the lowest section, right here, and we want to take it. We want to take it all the way to the top here. So we're looking like this total move here was 3.6%, which is good for us. So if you catch the whole thing, that right there is 3.6%. So roughly almost 10%, because for every 1% you get 3% of action, right? So that's 3.6. So you're looking at almost 10%. So that's good. So what we want to do is, like I said, you want to measure that. Actually, you know what? We want to go. We probably want to go here, actually. So we'll go here. And we'll go here. Okay, so that's better. That's a little bit better. This is easier. So, okay, so we got 7.5% on this action right here. So this is how we're going to set this up. So we already know off of this screen, this here is the bottom. Okay, so this is the bottom. So that's good, right? And then based off our screen, this is the top. Okay, so we wanna get here, okay? But what's good is that we kind of know where the bottom's at here, right? So how do we determine where this is going? Because right now we're here, right? How do we know if we're gonna go up, or how do we know if we're gonna go down? So how I set this up, so that way everybody knows kind of what the strategy is is right here. So we get really intricate, right? So the biggest thing is, if you watch my day one video, I set up 2%, right? It's like a 2% box. I've moved it down to a 1% box, and the reason why I moved it down to a 1% box is because it's kind of like football, right? Yeah, it's great to throw the Hail Mary, or yeah, it's great to throw the 40-yard bomb or the 60-yard bomb and get a touchdown. But you know what? Sometimes dink and dunks win the game, right? If you can get what's available to you and what's in front of you, if you can just take that, you can take that to a Super Bowl. I mean, Tom Brady did it for his whole career, right? Dink and dunk Tom, right? So the same strategy applies here. Now, if you don't want to do this, you can make your boxes a little bit bigger. You can set it to, like I said in the first video, is set up at 2.5%. Here, I like to do at 1% because if I get that 1%, as soon as if I scalp it, I'll get that 1%, which is like 3% right away, right? So I'd rather get what's available and get my W. Okay. What you can also do is, if you want, you can use this just to set you up, and then you can just let it go, right, and see how high it goes. And sometimes you might catch that 10% swing, right? Sometimes you might get that 20% swing, right? You don't have to cash out at that 1%, right? Use your own judgment here and see how you like it. But the reason why I do the 1% is because usually we're gonna get at least a minimum of a 1% swing, right? Usually. So so what we'll do here is, now that you know that, right? So we'll use this 1%, okay? So what we'll do is we'll come down into here, okay? And we'll take the highest peak that's the closest, okay? So this here would be our highest peak, okay? So what we do is we want to make sure that it smashes this target, right? Not just, not just tickle it. We want it to smash it, so that way we know it's got momentum to go all the way up to 1%. So you take your ruler here, and what I try to do is I do like a 0.25%, which is a quarter of a percent. Okay, so what we want is we want this right here to completely smash the highest point, right, and go there. Okay, so we want to mark that, right? So you want to go here, and you want to go ahead and mark your line. Okay, so that's where you want to be. Then you take your 1% box, okay, and you set it right there. Beautiful, right there. Set it right there. Okay. So that's where you want to be. So when the price action hits this, we're going long up here. Okay? So that's where we're going. Okay? And eventually this thing will hit over here to get you your 1%. Now remember, when it hits the 1%, you can cash out right away, right? Because that 1%, remember, you're only trying to make 2% per day. You hit one of these every single day, you're there at the 400,000 minimum, right? And that's what I tell you. You take what's in front of you. If you can get that guaranteed 1%, you take it, right? Because guess what? In 365 days, you do that 365 times, you've got your $400,000. Simple, simple. No hopium required here on this channel, right? Easy. Take the dink and dunk. Take the money. Take the win. Okay, but like I said, this is your trade. So if you want to set it up, I just showed you how to set it up. Yes, it's going to hit this mark. You go in for the long, and you can take it for the long haul, right? You might get lucky. You might hit that 10%. You might hit that 20% swing. It might go 40%. You know what I mean? Like, but you're hoping. That's hopium. I don't like hopium, right? I want to take the guarantee money. Okay? Yeah, it's going to take me a little bit longer to get to where I need to go, but guess what? It's guaranteed. The money's there. A bird in the hand is better than two in the bush that you don't see. Okay? So do your own research and really just play it how you want to play it. But I'm just showing you how I set it up. Okay? And same thing here is, I'll show you how to do the shorts. Okay? So if you want to do the short, we'll come back down to here. Okay? So remember, this is the lowest point. Okay, so this is the lowest point, right? So again, you're going to measure your box. You're going to come down here. Actually, you know what? Let me delete these first. Okay. Right. So this is the lowest point. We're going to take the box. We're going to get our quarter of a percent. Okay. We're going to mark our line. Okay, and then we're going to get our 1% box. Set up our 1% box. Boom. Actually, I want to change this up a little bit to 1%. We'll change this to 1%. All right. So we'll zoom out. We'll zoom out. So here we are. Right. So this is where Phantom is right this exact moment. Right there, sitting right there. Okay. So Phantom is right here. Okay. So Phantom drops down here, hits this mark. We're going short. Okay. If Phantom comes up this way, right, hits this mark, we're going long, right? And again, it's up to you. You want to take the 1%, take the points, kick that field goal. It's okay. Points win the game. Cash it out. Okay. If you want to go for that long 60-yard bomb, by all means, let it ride. That's up to you. But this is my setup right here. Okay. So now you know how to set it up to whether to go into a long or a short. Okay. So what's going to happen here is if Phantom goes here to a short, okay, you take it all the way until it either hits the 1% or whatever your profit margin that you have in your head is set up, right? You keep it going, okay? In the chance that it breaks this line, okay? In the chance that it breaks this line and then retraces back up, okay? Sell it right here. Okay, sell it right there. Just sell it right away. Just go ahead and sell it and move on to the next thing. Don't try to hold it and pray. You know what I'm saying? Just let it go. Take your loss and go on with life, right? So just to show you my trades for today and yesterday. So I'm starting to track all my trades from today. From now on, I'm going to start tracking all my trades. Okay. So my dink and dunk strategy, guys, I'm telling you, it's a winner. I'm telling you. Look, right here. Yesterday, here's my trades. 4 trades. Okay. I'm 4-1. Actually, I'm sorry, 3-1. 4 trades and 1 loss, right? So I got 3 winners. Okay. So actually, I need to change this. This is 3-1. Okay. Right. There it is. That's to show you right here. And then today, right here. All wins right here. Look, 14, 12, 8. Okay, 3%, 2%, 3%. Almost 2% right there. I actually have, yeah. So, like I said, this is the real deal, guys. I keep track of all my trades right here. I'm gonna have it here for you every time I do an update. I wanted to do updates every single day, but it's really starting to become taxing. So I might do it every other day or maybe every 3 days. But I'm definitely keeping track and I'm definitely showing you the results right here. Again, if you guys don't have or if you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'll try to do everything I can to answer your questions. If you have any tweaks or anything that I need to know, drop it down right there also in the comments. And please, guys, if you know anybody that wants to be independent or is trying to quit their job and do something they enjoy, or wants to learn how to invest, please share this video, because today was a bull run. Luna I think went up like 11-14%, right? Bitcoin also went up. So today's a good day, but not every single day is going to be like this. Some days are going to be bad. Some days people are going to get wrecked. With this strategy, you won't get wrecked, guys. I promise. You're not going to get wrecked. As long as, you guys only invest what you can afford to lose, and you follow this strategy, you guys will be okay. But please remember, this is not financial advice. This is just me doing my thing, and we're going to get to $400,000. This is my journey, and I'm documenting it. And I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. But oh yeah, also you don't have to use Kucoin, okay? You can also use Binance. I completely forgot. So Binance also has leverage tokens now, right? I just saw it. So you can be on Binance. You don't have to be on Kucoin. Binance is also available. They've got different coins here. Here they got 1-inch, XLM, Sushi, Aave, Bitcoin Cash, Wi-Fi, Filecoin. SXP. So they've got a lot of bunch of tokens here too. So Binance is also available. You can also use Binance as well. So you don't have to just use just KuCoin. So you don't have to switch. Okay. So on KuCoin, it's 3L because it's triple leverage, right? That's why they call it 3L, or triple leverage short 3S. Okay. Here it's up and down, right? So a little bit different. Okay. So again, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, please smash that like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.